Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at how to use split screen to help make you more productive in class, help you see multiple things at once whenever we're doing a lesson that requires it or something else, along with helping you to make connections between maybe an activity you may be doing and an article you're reading or a video you're watching, all to help you in this e-learning time. So split screen is simply where you use the features of your Chromebook to help split the screen into two equal parts, where you can have two separate windows that you look at the same time. Super helpful when you, again, are doing different activities that require maybe you to read and watch something while at the same time either taking notes or doing other activities. So today we're going to be using an example task in Amplify and Flipgrid to kind of show you how to use this, how it works, and kind of some examples of how it can be done. So in this activity, you're going to be asked to work within our Amplify page along with using Flipgrid at the same time. Now, the activities themselves don't necessarily matter in this situation, but for now, what you would do is you would need to have two windows open. One window for the one activity you need, and the other, obviously, that you'd want to have sitting right next to it in front of you. Once you have your two tabs open, so maybe I need this Amplify page and I need this Flipgrid page. You're going to drag the top of your window here. Notice I'm pulling it and it turns into a smaller window, okay? You're not grabbing the tab, okay? You're going to be grabbing the actual empty space here at the top. And what you're going to do is you're going to drag it to one side, and you're going to drag it all the way until you see this transparent square appear. Notice it's cutting my screen in half, okay? Now, when I drag it and you see that transparent page, you're going to let go, and notice it's going to snap the page into one side of your screen while at the same time, okay, offering you options. So maybe you need another window that you have up in a different set of windows. That's great. You can click on that, and then it's immediately going to snap it into place on the other side. Now, let's say that you have two windows on the same set, or two tabs in the same window. I'm going to drag until I see the transparent square. I'm going to let go. And now I'm going to grab this other tab and I'm going to drag it to the other side and do the exact same thing. Now notice as I drag it, I'm waiting for that transparent square to show up. It's very light. Okay. Once I see the transparent square, I'm going to let go, and boom, now I have my two pages up. So in this situation, maybe you're reading this article about wheelchairs while at the same time having to record something, or maybe you have a Google Doc up. So you're typing on this side or creating a video, and you're reading and doing an article over here, again, helping you to be more proficient with whatever activity we're doing. Okay. So that's how you split screen. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise,